Ever dreamt of ditching the commute and building your empire from the comfort of your own home? Introduction to remote jobs. Are you craving the freedom and flexibility that comes with remote work? Then buckle up, because you're about to discover 11 insanely unique remote job ideas that you've probably never heard of before. These aren't your typical work-from-home gigs. We're talking about opportunities with serious income potential, handpicked to ignite your entrepreneurial spirit and launch you into the stratosphere of remote success. Get ready to be inspired. Digital archivist, the keeper of the digital realm. In our increasingly digital world, preserving information is more critical than ever. Digital archivists are the unsung heroes safeguarding our digital history. They organize, preserve, and manage digital records for businesses, libraries, and universities. This isn't just about storing files, it's about ensuring accessibility and longevity for crucial data. If you're detail-oriented, tech-savvy, and fascinated by the preservation of knowledge, this could be your calling. Profit potential: $55,000 to $75,000 per year. How to get started? Reach out to universities, museums, historical societies, and large corporations. Many have digital archiving needs. Networking within library and archival science communities can also open doors. Uniqueness factor. This is a specialized field with growing demand as more organizations go digital. Virtual event coordinator, the maestro of the online stage. Forget stuffy conference rooms. The future of events is virtual, and virtual event coordinators are the masters of this digital domain. They plan and manage online events, from webinars and conferences to product launches and virtual summits. Think of them as the stage managers of the internet, ensuring everything runs smoothly. This requires top-notch organizational skills, tech proficiency, and the ability to keep attendees engaged in a virtual environment. Profit potential: $40,000 to $60,000 per year. How to get started? Network with businesses that host online events. Offer your services to online course creators, coaches, and marketing agencies. Platforms like LinkedIn, FlexJobs, and Event Tribe often list these roles. Uniqueness factor. As virtual events become more prevalent, the demand for skilled coordinators is skyrocketing. Podcast editor. Shaping the sound of success. Love podcasts? Why not turn your passion into a profitable career? Podcast editors are the audio wizards behind the scenes, transforming raw recordings into polished, professional productions. They remove filler words, cut out awkward silences, reduce background noise, add music and sound effects, and ensure the final product is crisp and engaging. No prior experience is strictly required, but familiarity with audio editing software is a plus. Profit potential: $30,000 to $50,000 per year, and it can be significantly higher for high-profile podcasts. How to get started? Listen to podcasts and identify areas for improvement. Reach out to podcasters directly and offer your editing services. Building a portfolio of edited episodes is key. Uniqueness factor. The podcasting industry is booming, creating a wealth of opportunities for skilled editors. Online community manager, the heartbeat of the digital tribe. Every thriving online community needs a dedicated leader, and that's where the online community manager comes in. They're the architects of engagement, fostering positive discussions, moderating forums, creating content, and ensuring the community remains a vibrant and welcoming space. If you're a natural connector with a passion for building relationships, this could be your dream job. Profit potential: $45,000 to $60,000 per year. How to get started? Identify online communities you admire and reach out to the owners or administrators. Demonstrate your understanding of community building and your passion for their niche. Job boards and Remote.co often feature these roles. Uniqueness factor companies are increasingly recognizing the importance of online communities, making this a high-demand skill. UX researcher, the voice of the user. In the world of web and app development, user experience, or UX, is king. UX researchers are the champions of the user, conducting usability tests, analyzing data, and gathering feedback to ensure products are intuitive, enjoyable, and effective. They're the bridge between the user and the developer, translating user needs into actionable insights. Profit potential: $70,000 to $90,000 per year. How to get started? Develop a strong understanding of UX research methodologies. Build a portfolio of research projects, even personal ones. Look for opportunities at UX design firms and on platforms like UX Research Jobs. Uniqueness factor. UX research is a critical and growing field, offering excellent earning potential for skilled professionals. Survey designer, the architect of insight. Data is the lifeblood of business, and survey designers are the architects who gather that crucial information. They develop and distribute surveys for market research, customer feedback, and other data-driven initiatives. This requires analytical thinking, a deep understanding of survey methodology, and experience with tools like SurveyMonkey. Profit potential, $50,000 to $65,000 per year. How to get started. Hone your skills in survey design and data analysis. Target market research firms, customer experience companies, and businesses that rely heavily on data. Uniqueness factor. The ability to design effective surveys is a valuable skill in a data-driven world. Proofreader, the guardian of the written word. In the age of digital communication, flawless writing is more important than ever. Proofreaders are the meticulous guardians of the written word, catching errors in grammar, spelling, punctuation, and formatting. They ensure that everything from blog posts and articles to marketing materials and books is polished and professional. Profit potential, $35,000 to $50,000 per year. How to get started. Develop a keen eye for detail and a strong command of grammar and style. Create a profile on freelance platforms like proofreadingservices.com and Scribendi. Uniqueness factor. While many people can write, true proofreading skills are highly valued. Email marketing specialist, the master of the inbox. Email marketing is still a powerful tool for businesses, and email marketing specialists are the ones who wield it effectively. They craft compelling email campaigns, manage subscriber lists, analyze campaign performance, and optimize email strategies to drive sales and engagement. This requires copywriting skills, familiarity with email marketing platforms like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign, and a data-driven mindset. Profit potential, $55,000 to $75,000 per year. How to get started. Build a portfolio of successful email campaigns, even personal projects. Seek out opportunities at marketing agencies and on platforms like We Work Remotely. Uniqueness factor. Effective email marketing is a specialized skill that's in high demand. Wait, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. E-commerce store manager, the captain of the online marketplace. The world of e-commerce is exploding, and e-commerce store managers are at the helm of these online empires. They manage online stores, handling everything from product listings and pricing to inventory management and sales trend analysis. Experience with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Amazon Seller is a major plus. Profit potential, $50,000 to $70,000 per year. How to get started. Gain experience with e-commerce platforms. Offer your services to small businesses that are looking to expand their online presence. Check platforms like Upwork and Freelancer for contract-to-hire opportunities. Uniqueness factor. The continued growth of e-commerce creates a wealth of opportunities for skilled store managers. Tech sales, the architect of tech solutions. Tech sales professionals are the bridge between cutting-edge technology and the businesses that need it. They sell technology solutions, manage client relationships, conduct virtual product demonstrations, and close deals. Strong communication skills, a deep understanding of technology, and proficiency in CRM tools are essential. Profit potential, $60,000 to $80,000 per year, often with significant commission potential. How to get started. Develop a solid understanding of the technology you're selling. Platforms like Course Careers offer training and job placement assistance in tech sales. Uniqueness factor. Tech sales offers high earning potential and the opportunity to work with innovative products and services. Translation specialist, the bridge between languages. In our globalized world, communication across languages is paramount. Translation specialists are the linguistic experts who bridge the gap, translating documents, websites, and online content between languages. This requires fluency in at least 2 languages and strong writing skills. Profit potential, $45,000 to $70,000 per year. How to get started. Showcase your language proficiency and translation skills. Create a profile on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Django, and Praz. Uniqueness. Factor: the demand for translation services is booming. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.